Hey guys, it's Brett. Just wanted to show you what I got from Bulk Reef Supply today. I got a Tunze 3152 Osmolator Nano. That's going to be for my JBJ 28. I think it'll be a lot better than the JBJ auto top-off that I have now. At least that's what I'm hoping. Also, it was that time to go ahead and change my RODI unit filters and resin in my 4th stage that I also got from Bulk Reef Supply. So I'll be doing that today. Even though my TDS was only reading about 1, I don't want to wait till it gets to 2 or 3 like a lot of reefers were posting up on forums. I don't want any of that. I'd rather just have 0. Plus it's been about 7 or 8 months, so it's all good. Time to change them out, so I'll change them all out at the same time. Back to the Osmolator. I want to go ahead and do an unboxing for you. Not a lot of these unboxings on the Nanos. Let me see here. Of course, we have our instructions. Okay. I'm sure in different languages, obviously. Thus being made in Germany. Alright, we're going to have our float switch with the obviously like the little brain that it comes with. We got our tubing with the bracket that comes along with it to hold the tubing on the back of your tank secure. Okay. And we have the pump. And this is probably the real reason why I bought this, is for the pump. I have the aqua lifter on the JBJ auto top off, and I have it set up about midway in my cabinet, and it has a tough time pulling water and then pushing the water up to and over my back of my tank. So I think this pump is going to be a lot stronger, even though it's going to be sitting lower. I think it'll be fine, and I'll show it after I hook it up and show you how I'll have that hooked up on my tank. Let's see what's in this. I'm going to assume it's the basically the power supply to it. Sorry guys for the one hand here. Yep, it's going to be the power supply. Okay. And that's going to be the guard for your float switch for snails and things like that, even though I won't have that problem since it's sitting in the back. And then the magnets that are going to hold the float switch. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'll get this set up and put on my tank, and then I'll get back to you after that's done. Alright guys, thanks. Alright guys, back at my tank to show you the install of the Tunze Osmolator 3152 Nano. It's kind of dark in here, so let me get a light. This is the control module of it. So it kind of leaves a small imprint. It's not very big. Not as big as the JBJ. So it don't take as much room. And then I have my 5-gallon RO water down here. So it's pretty small. And the pump is very strong, like I figured, so it don't have an issue at all working itself all the way up to the tank. And then for the back, the float switch there, which is right there with the white wire going through, and then the return line right there. A very good flow. So I would suggest, if you're going to spend the money, do it right the first time. Unlike myself, I bought the JBJ, try to save a few bucks, and the aqua lifter pump just didn't get it. But I would definitely recommend this Osmolator. from Tunze, the Nano version for such a small tank. Alright guys, you guys have a good one, and until the next video.